Hello everybody, I'm Linda Bradley and you know me from Princess House. So, I missed Miracle Dish Monday yesterday. I'm so sorry about that because I was with my favorite little grandson and we were at a special place. We don't put his picture up online so you get to see the back of his head because he wanted to join us today. So this is Jacob, and what do you think about Princess House, Jacob?
I love Princess.
You have to say it loud.
I love Princess House.
Why do you love it?
Because it's my favorite day.
So we're going to make healthy chocolate chip pancakes today that Jacob's very excited for. And this is in one of our new cookbooks that Princess House has. We are going to make it in our blender. And today I'm using the personal blender. So this is nice and small footprint. So you ready? Jacob's going to help me put everything in. So the first thing that was going to go in is we have 2 eggs. Be careful. And I already mixed the vanilla with them. So it's 2 eggs and a half a teaspoon of vanilla. Vanilla. All right, next up we're gonna put in Greek yogurt. So that's the organic Greek yogurt. So you can just push it in. Yeah, there you go, nice job. You want me to help you with that? Yeah, that's a little bit more difficult. So this is our healthy chocolate chip pancakes. All right, next up, what do we have? 1/2 cup of oats. So
I can do it by myself.
we did the steel oats. Ooh, nice job. Stay nice and straight. Look at me like this.
No powder.
All right. Then we have, this is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. No face. There you go. Good job. Hold on. All right, we are almost done. And what's this?
Bananas.
1/2 cup of banana. Keep your head still. Good job. All right, let me read and make sure. Oh, a couple of them here. Let me read. Stay straight. Looking at me, I'll get them. Let's see if I missed anything. 2 eggs.
Yeah.
Greek yogurt.
Yes.
Oats.
Yes.
Vanilla extract.
Yes.
Baking powder.
Yes.
Banana.
Yes.
And maple syrup. That was also in with the eggs. So now we're going to put it together. So I'm going to give Jacob a little treat while we put this together. You can eat them. All right, so this is our,
My belly feels better.
is that good? Your belly feels better? Chocolate. All right, so what happens with this is we're gonna put it in here. I'm gonna let Jacob start it. Keep your head straight though. Right over here. Can you push the button?
Yeah.
Good job. Keep your head straight all the way. All right. So now what we have to do is let it sit for 5 minutes and then, keep your head straight, and then we're gonna go ahead and cook it in our pan. So come back in a little bit and I'll show you the finished product. And these are healthy chocolate chip pancakes, chocolate chip banana pancakes. So when we're all finished, we'll see how much it makes. It has 370 calories, 71 carbs, healthy carbs though, 23 grams of protein, and 10 grams total fat. There's only a little bit of chocolate chips, but that's all you really need. All right, join me.